When it comes to kitchen appliances, most of the time the price you pay equals the quality of the product. It's interesting to see that BLACK+DECKER has a product in this price range. However, the WMB500 provides excellent value with its simple and no-frills design. It really looks very outdated, but does its job pretty well. The BLACK+DECKER WMB500 is a Belgian-style waffle maker with 8 inches in diameter. Its grooves are pretty deep to hold your fruits and creams and honey, but not as deep as a real Belgian iron, but certainly more than enough. It's a non-flip model that makes waffles roughly around 7.3 inches in diameter and 1 inch tall. It's round and chrome-bodied with black plastic handles, and actually it doesn't look bad in the kitchen. It's not the most attractive and elegant piece of equipment, but it's not hideous either. The grid on the cooking plate is divided into 4 sections, a nice feature if you want to share your waffle or want to top each section with different toppings. The grids also have a non-stick coating, so the waffle slides smoothly from the plate and the cleaning is very easy and simple. Beware while adding batter to the machine while cooking the waffle. The machine recommends adding 2/3 of a cup of batter, but with a different recipe that amount may overflow. So it's advised adding half a cup of batter, then add more if necessary. The mess you make after it overflows takes a long time and patience to clean. It's extremely easy to use. You just plug the machine in, no buttons, no switches or knobs. You just have a light that indicates when the machine is hot enough to add the batter and then turns off when the waffle is cooked. However, the machine only cooks them to a golden colour, so if you like brown, crispier waffles, you have to play with the timing and estimate. Compared to its price point, the BLACK+DECKER WMB500 is an impressive and solid waffle maker, a simple no-frills cooking experience with a sense of nostalgia.